here's the hair that came off of Chloe. And even though her hair was cut, I mean, that is a massive hair to come off. These clips ended up working out really well. They took the hair down quickly. I was surprised. So, you know, these are not real expensive. I'm not even sure how I got these. They're Singer. They must have come in some kind of a sewing kit that I have. But anyway, they're great. Also, work on a soft surface because you don't want to damage your doll's paint. So I just have a towel doubled up here, and that's just always a good idea. Every time I do something, I either change out the towel or paper towel, so you're working on a clean surface area. So we're left with these little plugs here in her head. Now, I did try the pliers, and that was not very successful. I don't know, my jewelry pliers maybe just aren't tight enough, but try and do this without slamming into the camera. These, if you get them enough, they will pull out somewhat, but it's going to be a job. So I think what I'm going to do instead is to go heat up some water and get this head soft and try and work out whatever's inside holding those, which I believe is some type of glue that they have to use to secure the hair. I know when I did Reborn dolls, that's what was used once you're all done. So there was a glue put up inside the head, and there's different types you can go with, but that's another subject. So, well, we're going to have to do an Anne Boleyn on Miss Chloe here. I don't think she's going to like it, and hopefully this isn't a problem. Who did I have a problem with? Oh, Secret Date Chloe. And I've taken off heads before without any issue at all. And this one's really putting up resistance. So you know what? I'm just going to heat it up first and do it that way because I don't want to break this. This body looks really great. And I was putting a good bit of pressure on there and it did not want to pop. So let's heat it up and soften it and take it off that way. And then we'll see what we have up inside.